Maestro Sir Anton, guro't vlogger na Pilipino, tagahatid ng balita sa bayan ay totoo. Mga benepisyo ng guro, kanyang tinatalakay.
Sa video natin ngayon mga maestro ay pag-usapan pa rin natin itong tungkol sa service credits expiration na mga magsaserve po tuwing meron po tayong national and local election. Ayan, so kahapon nga po mga maestro ay nagawa na po natin ng video itong tungkol sa usaping ito, sapagkat ito po yung medyo, hindi lang medyo, no, talagang pumutok na issue especially po sa Department of Education, sapagkat alam naman nga natin na majority kung hindi man 100%, siguro at least mga 80% ay galing po sa Department of Education ang mga umuupo ng mga electoral board sa tuwing mayroon po tayong eleksyon. So syempre sa hanay po ng DepEd, tayo po ang pinaka-affected dito sa resolution pong ginawa ng CSC patungkol nga po dito sa expiration po within 6 months nitong or within the same fiscal year. Although meron ngang exemption yung last NLE election, last 2025, na kung saan ay binibigyan po ng 6 months para magamit yon after pong magbaba ng guidelines. Kung di po tayo nakakamali, ibinaba po yung guidelines ay March. So ibig sabihin ay malapit na rin matapos yung 6 months noon. So ito po yung medyo nakakalungkot po mga maestro. Nabanggit na rin natin kahapon na sa hanay po ng Teachers Dignity Coalition ay wala pang binabanggit po, especially po si Sir Benjo Basas kahapon kasi medyo sobrang busy ni Sir Benjo, no? Ang dami niyang iniikot, marami siya mga pinupuntahang mga schools. Ayan, kaya halos wala pa siya masyadong comments kahapon po ng umaga. Pero nung bandang gabi, ayan, nakita ko na comment na po si Sir Benjo. And ito nga good news kasi kanina po, ngayong araw ay nag-post na po sa official Facebook page ng Teachers Dignity Coalition ito pong request na dialogue sa COMELEC para pag-usapan po itong tungkol sa expiration po ng service credit, especially po sa mga teachers. Ayan, so good news po yan, sapagkat alam naman natin, di ba, ang karisma ni Sir Benjo pagdating dyan. Malay natin magkaroon ng magandang bunga, magandang result if ever man matuloy itong request for dialogue ng TDC po mga kamaestro. So yan po yung abangan natin, so syempre antayin natin yung maging sagot ng COMELEC. Sana po mayag sila na makipagdialogo po sa TDC, and sana pala rin makasama rin tayo kasi maganda rin yung i-voice out din po natin yung opinion po natin patungkol dito po mga kamaestro. So hopefully po ay maimbitahan tayo ng Sir Benjo Basa. Sir Benjo, baka nanonood ka sa vlog ko ngayon, di ba? So ako willing akong sumama if ever magkaroon ng dialogue sa COMELEC. Ayan, kahit mag-form 6 lang tayo sa klase po, kasi ito ay isang napakalaking usapin na may kaugnayan po sa welfare of course ng mga teachers, kasi kawawa nga talaga ako personally nag-serve din ako sa election. So although hindi lahat ng election ay nakapag-serve ako, pero most of the time naman ay nag-serve tayo. So napakalaking kumbaga sa napakalaking kumbaga epekto ng usaping ito sa mga teachers natin, kasi yun nga sinabi ko na dugo at pawis ang puhunan ng mga teachers sa pag-serve po sa election. Ayan, kaya yun, hopefully po ay mangyari itong dialogong ito with the COMELEC, and sana po ipala rin din po si El Maestro na makasama dito sa dialogue na ito if ever man kailan siya masiset. Ayan, bibigyan natin ng time yan basta tayo ay maimbitahan din ni Sir Benjo Basas, ay sasama po tayo dyan. Alright, so ito po yung binabanggit natin na post ng TDC. Ayan, so credits po sa official Facebook page ng Teachers Dignity Coalition. Ito po ay posted, 7 hours ago. So ngayong hapon po ito na i-post sa official Facebook page ng TDC. So ito po yung official statement ng Teachers Dignity Coalition, ng atin pong organisasyon patungkol nga po dito sa usapin ng service credit expiration. So basahin po natin. So sabi diyan, TDC seeks dialogue with COMELEC. The Teachers Dignity Coalition TDC has formally requested a dialogue with the Commission on Elections COMELEC to discuss COMELEC Resolution number 11212, which imposes an expiration period on the service credits earned by teachers and other election workers for rendering election service. TDC Chairperson Benjo G. Basas said, "We respectfully express our serious concern over the provision requiring that earned service credits be availed of within a prescribed period, particularly those earned during the national and local elections within the same calendar year. While we recognize the Commission's authority to promulgate implementing guidelines under the Election Service Reform Act or ESRA of 2016 or RA 10756, we believe the provision raises significant legal policy and practical concerns that warrant careful consideration." Ito po yung naging laman ng liham ng officially ng TDC sa akin pong COMELEC So nakalagay po diyan August 4, 2026. Of course, address po yan kay Honorable George Erwin M. Garcia, ang ating pong chairman of the Commission on Election. Sabi diyan, Chairman Garcia, on behalf of public school teachers across the country, we respectfully request an opportunity to engage the Commission on Elections, COMELEC, in a dialogue regarding certain provisions of Resolution Number 11212 entitled Guidelines on the Grant of Service Credit to Government Officials and Employees who Rendered Election-Related Service. TDC acknowledges the resolution's provision fixing the service credit for teachers and other government personnel who rendered election service in the national and local elections at 10 days. This reflects the Commission's recognition of the extraordinary responsibilities and sacrifices undertaken by poll workers during elections. However, we respectfully express our serious concern over the provision requiring that earned service credits be availed of within a prescribed period, particularly those earned during the national and local elections within the same calendar year. While we recognize the Commission's authority to promulgate implementation guidelines under the Election Service Reform Act or ESRA of 2016 RA 10756, we believe the provision raises significant legal policy and practical concerns that warrant careful consideration. Foremost among these concerns is whether the expiration period faithfully reflects the letter and spirit of the ESRA, which was enacted to recognize, protect, and reward election workers for their invaluable public service. It is our considered view that an implementing rule should facilitate the enjoyment of a statutory benefit rather than create conditions that may effectively result in its forfeiture. We are likewise concerned about the practical implications of the expiration period for public school teachers. Unlike most government employees who earn and utilize regular vacation and sick leave credits, teachers rely on service credits for paid absences due to illness or other valid reasons. At the same time, teachers cannot simply absent themselves from their class at will as they carry continuing responsibilities in classroom instruction, learner assessment, and numerous academic and administrative functions throughout the school year. The limited availment period may place teachers and school administrators in the difficult position of choosing between preserving an earned benefit and ensuring the uninterrupted delivery of classroom instruction. It is in this spirit that we respectfully request a dialogue with your office to discuss these concerns and explore possible policy refinements that would both uphold the objectives of the ESRA and address the legitimate welfare concerns of election workers without compromising the efficient administration of public schools. TDC has always regarded the COMELEC as an indispensable partner in safeguarding our democratic institutions. For many years, public school teachers have willingly answered the call to serve during elections despite the immense responsibilities and personal sacrifices involved. We remain committed to supporting electoral processes and believe that constructive dialogue is the most appropriate avenue for ensuring that policies affecting election workers remain fair, practical, and faithful to the intent of the law. We look forward to your favorable response and to the opportunity for a meaningful discussion on this important matter. Ayan, of course, thank you very much. And po, signed by Benjo G. Basas, ang ating pong National Chairperson ng Teachers Dignity Coalition. Ayan, so looking forward po tayo dito mga kamestro. Sana po ay magkaroon ng magandang result. If ever man mapatuloy po yung dialogue between TDC and ng Commission on Elections. So yan po yung pag-pray po ninyo mga kamestro. Na sana po ay mapagbigyan tayo na makipagdialogo sa COMELEC at syempre mapagbigyan din po ang kahilingan po natin na kumbaga ay manatili pa rin po doon sa nakagawian po natin na yung mga service credits po ay naiipon para pagdating po ng araw, pagdating po na retireable na si teachers ay doon niya po yan magagamit kasi especially pagka 'Di ba, usually naman 'yun ang ginagawa ng mga teachers po natin, yung mga kakilala ko mga retired teachers po sa aming school, ganyan ang practice nila 'no. Pagka sila ay malapit na mag-retire, inuubos na nila yung mga service credit nila. So, nakakapagpahinga sila at the same time sumisweldo pa rin sila hanggang sa sila po ay, tuluyan na mag-retire. So, 'yun naman po 'no, kasi mas kailangan po ng mga teachers itong, mga ganitong service credits 'pag, medyo tumanda na 'no, kasi siyempre mahina na, do'n na lumalabas yung mga sakit-sakit. So, do'n po nila mas magagamit 'yan. Eh, paano kung 'yan po ay mag-expired at hindi na magamit, so sayang din po ano, sayang din po yung pinaghirapan ng mga kamaestro po natin. And sa akin naman, in my own personal opinion, hindi po ito opinion po ng TDC, para sa akin pong personal opinion, pwede rin po na mag-expired pero dapat monetize ano. Imo-monetize dapat nila yan within the year. Sabi ko nga sa mga kasama kong teachers dito sa school, kahit 500 pwede na sa akin eh. At least hindi masasayang yung pinagpahirapan po natin na service credits ano po. So okay lang na na hindi mo na siya magagamit in the future pero sana ma-monetize ano po para naman kahit papaano ay kumbaga mabibigyan ng kumbaga ng hustisya ano po yung ginawang paghihirap po ng mga teachers natin tuwing tayo po ay mayroong eleksyon. Alright, kayo mga kamestro, comment down below. You are free na maglabas po ulit ng inyong mga saloobin po dyan sa atin pong comment section. Alright, so dito ko natatapusin ang ating video ngayon mga kamestro. Hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe. Click mo na ang subscribe button dyan para ikaw yung unang nakapanood ng mga videos na upload natin. Katulad ko yung mga updates pa rin about dito sa service credit expiration from Comelec and of course sa mga benefits sa mga teachers and government employees. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para ma-notify ka. Always updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos.
Sa muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig.
Once again, El Maestro, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!